Welcome to the official ATMC platform. In today's video, I will be showing you how to use our software MillSoft available on our website atmcconsultancy.com. To download the software and to create a company, you can go to our another video upon installation guidance. So let's start with the demo of the software. Once you have downloaded the software, simply double click upon the desktop icon MillSoft and the software will open. Click upon continue, and here I have already created with the company with the name ATMC MillSoft. So simply select it, press enter, enter default user ID and password, which is 1 and 1, press enter, and you will be logged into the main screen of the software. So basically this MillSoft software is for those people who act as a commission agent, who buys up the wheat or rice, the grains, uh, or the products like that from the farmers and sell those things in the market. So let's start with the demo or working of the software. First of all, I'll be showing you how to add the accounts in the software. So to do that, click upon masters and click upon account, click upon new, and here I will be adding the account for your suppliers, that is the farmer from which you would be taking up the items, and of the customers to whom you would be selling the items to. So let's suppose Jimmy is the name of the farmer, so he would be coming under the name supplier. So simply select it, enter the other required details and click upon save. So this is how the account for your supplier would be created. Now to create an account for your customer, simply click upon new, write the name. So let me write Scott and select the option customers in the group drop down menu and click upon save. You can also fill up the other details of the particular account. Since this is a demo video, so I'm not showing you each and every detail, but you can maintain the complete record of your suppliers as well as of your customers. So once we are done with the account making, let me show you how to add the items to the software. So to do that, click upon masters and click upon item, click upon new, and here we will be adding the item name. So let's suppose I write rice bran, right? And now write its short name, enter the tax slab under which it falls. Now write the group name. If the group name is available here, it is okay. If it is not, then press the function key F3 and the item group window will open. Here the group can be created. So simply do this and the group would be generated like this. So it is not showing up because we added it later. So let me close the window and do it again. Click upon new, write rice bran. So now it's showing. So here you can set up the unit quantity, like this you take up the things in form of bag, box, dozen. So I take bag, and in the market rates, bharti is the amount, is the quantity of the item that comes in one sack. So let me suppose write 50 kgs for it. Now write the market fees for it. So let's suppose I write 2 for it. Now dami is the outer covering of the rice. So let me write 2 for it. Now stitching is the charge that you take for preparing one sack of the item. So stitching charges, I write 5 rupees. And mandi labor is the labor that you charge for basically for keeping and bringing down the sacks from the trucks or your storages. So let me write 2 for it. Now commission is the commission that you charge, so let me write 2.5 for it. Now these are the funds that you provide, so if they are applicable you can write the entries in these boxes, otherwise leave them and click upon save, and this is how the item entry would be done. So click upon OK, and this is how the items will be added to the software. Now once we are done with it, let me show you the sales and purchase entry. So to do that, click upon transactions and click upon purchases, click upon new, enter the date, enter the center. Now center is the area in which you work, in which you buy the things from your suppliers and sell it to your retailers. So if the center name is here, it is okay. If it is not, you can simply go to masters and click upon center, and the center window will open and you can simply do the required task from here. So let me take Monday from here. Now enter the details. So our supplier was Jimmy. Now enter the bill number, due date, narration. If market fees is available, then write yes, otherwise no. Now commission and trading, if it is applicable, if you're charging for trading, that is if you are charging for removing the outer covering, so you can write trading, and if you're charging for the commission, you can write C upon here and enter the details. Like I write rice bran, its charge, its unit, so I'm purchasing 5 units, kgs, its rate is 500, and the things would be added to the grid, and click upon save, and this is how the purchase entry would be done. Click upon OK. Now to do the sales entry, go to transactions, click upon sales, click upon new, enter the date and write the party name, Scott we took, so enter the other details, and rice bran was, so unit, let's suppose he's buying up 2, so in kgs is 50 kgs, and rate is again 500. So this is how you can do the sales entry. You can also apply the other charges, whatever applicable, and click upon save, and this is how the sales entry would be done to the system software. So if you want to get it printed, click upon yes, otherwise no. So this is how the main features, how the main feature of the software works. So if you want to generate reports, there are n number of reports. So to go to so to do that, click upon report section, and you can go to Monday payment register and enter the details, and it will show you the amount that has to be paid, that has been paid, that has to be paid. Anything related to the payment could be seen upon here. And similarly, we have sales and purchase register. Sales register, it will show you the sales reports. The purchase register will show you the purchase reports, and we also have market fee report over here, and n number of reports are available. According to your requirements, you can generate the reports and check up the working details of the business that you own. So this is how the software works. We try to cover all the important points in the software. Still, if there are any queries or doubts, please feel free to contact our team at given contacts. So have a great day.